Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA MG3650 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing of your wireless printer. Let's start with the unboxing. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button. Now we have to install the setup ink cartridges. So we get these ink cartridges, which is black and color ink cartridge. Now take them out of the plastic packaging. Now I'm going to show you how to install the setup ink cartridges. For that we have to open the ink cartridge chamber door. Open this front door. Now open this as well. This is the door where the ink cartridges are present. Once you open it, you will see the ink cartridges here. And press this lock down. Now install the ink cartridges. So black will go to the black side. And push the lock up. Same way do it for the color. Push the lock up. And now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Now I'm going to show you how to install or load the paper tray. So this is at the bottom, so place the pages here. Now we have finished the initial setup of the printer. It's ready for copy. And if you want, you can also use it for wireless printing and scanning. You can do the Wi-Fi setup. And for a copy, place a page facing downwards here and go to the display panel. So it's quite fast. You can see it has done a copy quickly. And if you want to know how to do the wireless setup, you can watch my other videos. Thanks for watching.